Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to order layers in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and this is our clips right here. So we have our audio clip, we have our video clip, and we're gonna add a text so that we can see right here, we have a default text right here. So this we have now three different layers. So from here, you can just position your text right here. I mean your video text and video. So from here, this is my video, and we're gonna actually add more so that we can go and see how it works. So from here, this is your video files right here. As you can see, the video icon is right here, and this is the icon for text, and this is the icon for the audio. So this is very important so that you would know what kind of file it is, and you can rearrange your video files right here. Example, you want this on top, or maybe you can add another one and you want this on top. You can just interchange them just like this one, but you cannot go and put your videos at the top of the text. You cannot do that. But yeah, unless you compound your text right here, create compound clip. When you compound it, you can now put it below the video right here. As you can see, it's now on top of the text or the compound text right here. It's now on top of it. You can position this also right here, position it, and yeah, that is basically how it is. And you have your audio right here, which is basically the same on how you can arrange or order your video text right here, but you cannot put your video text in the audio panels right here. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.